Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by and clicking on this video. So today I am going to be sharing a master bedroom revamp and clean with me. So if you are looking for a budget-friendly way to revamp and change up your bedroom, make sure to keep on watching and see the major transformation at the end. You guys won't be disappointed. I actually have been wanting to revamp our master bedroom for a while now, and when Mapiful reached out to me to collaborate with them, I got inspired and thought it would be the perfect opportunity to do that. So if you enjoy these types of videos, please make sure to leave me a thumbs up down below and subscribe if you are new here. I would love to have you be a part of my family here. So to start off, I am going to quickly show you guys how I set up my map. And if you haven't heard of Mapiful already, their mission is for you to tell your story through printed map posters of a special moment in your life, which I honestly thought was so unique and amazing. I actually chose the star map of the day and place my husband and I got married, which I thought fit perfectly since we just celebrated our 5-year anniversary. So if any of you guys are interested in creating your own, all you have to do is go to mapiful.com and click design your own, and you can choose from the various different options they offer, such as the classic map, star map, zodiac, or text art poster. I love that it's super user friendly and all you have to do is type in the time and place of your special moment. Then you can choose from the various different styles that they offer and choose the one that best suits your style and decor, which I definitely appreciated. I love that you can change the text and customize it to something more personal. And once you are all done with that, you can choose the size of your poster and proceed to check out. And lastly, you can choose to add a frame or a hanger to your order. It did offer me a hanger that came with a poster, so I went ahead and set that up with our poster, and I love how it turned out. I think these would be great housewarming gifts, wedding gifts, and just a special gift to someone close to you. This is such a unique item that I'm so excited to add to our room. I honestly wanted to change the decor above our bedroom because I wasn't in love with what we had before. So I am so excited to be adding this, and I did want to thank Mapiful for gifting this to me and collaborating on this video. They do offer worldwide free shipping, so if any of you guys are interested, I will have all of their links in my description box for you all to check out afterwards. Along with the poster, I wanted to add some pictures from the day we got married, and I printed them in black and white and just put them in some simple frames from Michael's that I already had. So definitely just go around your home and see what you have already. I only had to purchase the pictures because I didn't have them in black and white. And I absolutely love how it turned out along with the poster. I definitely think it made our bedroom more personal and more about us, which I absolutely loved.
And you resonate inside my bones. Don't know why I'm incapable while you're unstoppable. Some big black clouds, the unavoidable is raining down.
So once we were done adding the decor above our bed, we wanted to move on and add the TV mount that we purchased. We did want to add a TV mount because we had it on one of our side tables temporarily, and we thought a TV mount would be more functional, save space, and be more appealing. So I did find an affordable one on Amazon, and we absolutely love how it turned out, you guys. I did have my desk area over here a while back, but my husband is currently using that desk, so I wanted to take off everything that was on here, all of the decor I had on here, and clean up the walls as well because they were pretty dirty.
Everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun, shooting rays like a shotgun. You gotta be my my someone.
So I also wanted to make sure I dusted all of our furniture because it was definitely time, and I am using the Method Wood for Good cleaner in the almond scent, which is my absolute favorite. And I am going to be adding a new comforter set that I found an amazing deal on, which I will be showing you guys later towards the end of this video, because I thought it would complete our room, and I was still cleaning, so I didn't want to put it on just yet. And I did go ahead and dust our fan, which I hadn't done in so long, you guys. It was definitely time. I didn't show a close-up, but there was dust literally piled up on top of it.
When you come, everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone. I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light.
So now that all of the furniture is dusted and clean, I am going to be vacuuming everything up, even under our bed and furniture, which I honestly don't often do. But since I was trying to make sure everything was clean, I did ask my husband to help move the furniture while I vacuumed everything. And I will be mopping the floors at the end to make sure our room is nice and clean.
Can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
So I have wanted a long mirror in our room for a while now, and we have had this one in our hallway, but I decided to go ahead and switch it over to our room since I thought it would be more useful here, and I absolutely love how it turned out, you guys. I feel like it made our room feel so much bigger and way more put together. So definitely shop around your home to see what you can add or change up in your room if you are trying to revamp a room but don't want to spend a lot of money or have a tight budget like we did. You will be surprised what a couple little changes will do to your room. And the last item I did add was this extra hamper for random clothes we sometimes have lying around, and I just wanted to have a place for it and not thrown on the floor or dresser. But for now, I decided to just place my pregnancy pillow in here while it wasn't being used, which I thought was perfect for that. Now that I'm all finished, I wanted to go ahead and make the bed and take the sheets off and switch them all out. So I did purchase this comforter set from At Home and thought it was such a great steal for a 7-piece set. It was around $59 and I honestly couldn't pass it up when I saw it, since I have been wanting to purchase a white comforter set for a while now, and I absolutely love how it turned out and the little details that it has. I definitely love how cozy and clean it made our room feel, and I know we will get good use out of it in the long run. So if you don't know where to start to revamp your room, I would definitely start with changing out your comforter set. I feel like it made a huge difference in our room alone, since it's one of the main focal points when you first walk in any room.
Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you. Here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in.
Alright guys, so I wanted to show you how our master bedroom looked like before one more time, so you guys can truly see what a difference those several changes we made did to our room. I am so pleased with how everything turned out, and the before and after is just so crazy to me because we honestly didn't do too much to our room. But like I have mentioned, with just several little changes, your room can feel completely transformed and you don't have to spend a ton of money all at once. Just slowly start adding things to make it how you want it to be, which is what we are doing. I hope you all got inspired from this video. Please be sure to leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and if you made it this far, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, I wanted to thank Mapiful again for collaborating with me on this video. Thank you all so much for watching and continuing to support my channel, and I hope to see you all in my next video.
Give me a sign. Baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign.